This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Faith Mormon. Beautiful traditional home located in the highly sought subdivision of Glenwood, near proximity to local attractions and shopping. Perfectly situated in a cul-de-sac that offers an extensive amount of parking. Freshly painted, HVAC replaced 1 year ago and roof is under 10 years old. Kitchen with granite countertops opens up to the family room, which allows easy access to the backyard. The backyard is great for entertaining just in time for summer BBQs or to create your dream oasis. The community offers walking trails, golf courses, community pool and playgrounds. You definitely don't want to miss this one. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below.